This morning, guess what we're gonna play? Frost Giant Soccer. You guys ready for that?
When the Father made us, He knew we'd run from Him and try to hide our sin. But He wanted to save us. His own were on His heart before He made the stars. Oh, oh, no one is good, not even one. But God can make us daughters, God can make us sons.